If you're shopping for a smart TV, it's not just about size or picture quality. The big question is, how many apps does it support? In this video from All Things Electronx, we'll break down the top smart TV platforms and show you which TVs give you the deepest app stores and best features. Android TV and Google TV are some of the most powerful smart platforms around. They support over 10,000 apps, including Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Hulu, fitness apps, and even games. What makes it special is sideloading, which means you can install apps outside the official store. It's perfect for people who want flexibility. You also get Chromecast built-in, so it connects easily with your phone. These platforms are found on popular brands like Sony Bravia, Hisense ULED TVs, TCL 5 and 6 series, and the NVIDIA Shield TV box. If you love app freedom, Android Google TV gives you that. Roku TV offers 20,000 plus channels and apps, more than any other platform. It includes everything: Netflix, HBO Max, ESPN, kids channels, international shows, and lots of free content. It doesn't support sideloading like Android, but it's super easy to use, even for kids or seniors. You can find Roku built into TVs like TCL Roku TVs, Hisense Roku Edition, on Roku TVs, and even Westinghouse and Sharp Smart TVs. Customers say it's fast, doesn't crash, and updates automatically. If you want plug-and-play access with the deepest app library, Roku delivers. LG's webOS system supports around 7,000 apps. You get all the main ones: Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Apple TV+, and some unique lifestyle apps like LG channels. The menu is smooth and colorful, and it lets you switch apps quickly. People like how simple and modern it looks, but some complain that niche or foreign apps are missing. webOS is only found on LG smart TVs, especially the LG C Series OLED, LG NanoCell, and LG QNED models. If you want a polished interface that's easy to learn and has most popular apps, webOS is a great choice. Samsung's Tizen OS powers Samsung smart TVs, including the Samsung QLED Q60, Q90 series, the Frame, and Crystal UHD models. It supports about 6,500 apps, covering Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Apple TV+, and many others. Users say it looks elegant and is very responsive, especially with Samsung's fast processors. However, some niche or smaller streaming apps may not be supported. Tizen also connects well with Samsung's SmartThings home devices. It's perfect for users who want an easy interface, strong performance, and apps that just work. Amazon Fire TV supports over 12,000 apps through the Amazon App Store. It has all major streamers, plus workout, kids, and news apps. Fire TV emphasizes Amazon content, and some users find the ads annoying, but it's fast and voice-controlled with Alexa. Fire TV is used in TVs like the Insignia Fire TV, Toshiba Fire TV, Hisense Fire TV, and Amazon's Fire TV Omni series. If you love using Alexa and want solid app coverage at budget-friendly prices, Fire TV is your go-to. Vizio SmartCast has fewer than 1,000 native apps, but you can cast from your phone using Google Cast or AirPlay. It supports Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and a few others on the TV itself. Users say it's simple but not great for heavy app users. It's only available on Vizio TVs, like the Vizio V Series, M Series, and OLED models. It's good if you mostly stream from your phone or don't need dozens of apps on the TV. At All Things Electronx, we help you pick devices that make tech simple. If you want the deepest app store, go with Roku or Android TV. If you like elegant and popular apps, check out LG webOS or Samsung Tizen. For budget-friendly Alexa fans, Fire TV is great. And if you cast everything from your phone, Vizio SmartCast can work for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart TV reviews, guides, and comparisons. See you in the next one.